In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to factory reset a Fortinet device. Now, whether you're troubleshooting an issue or preparing to pass the device on to someone else, knowing how to perform a factory reset can be incredibly useful. Let's dive into the steps to ensure you can do this smoothly and effectively. First, make sure you have physical access to your Fortinet device. This is an essential step because the reset process requires direct interaction with the device itself. Once you have the device in front of you, locate the reset button. It's typically a small, recessed button on the back or bottom of the unit. You might need a paper clip or a similar object to press it. Now, before you proceed, it's crucial to understand that performing a factory reset will erase all configurations, settings, and data on the device. It will revert to its default settings, just like it was when it first came out of the box. If there's any important information you might need later, make sure to back it up before continuing. With everything backed up, go ahead and press and hold the reset button. You'll need to keep it pressed for about 10 to 15 seconds. During this time, you may notice the device's indicator lights blinking or changing patterns. This is a sign that the device is processing the reset command. Once you release the button, give the device a few moments to complete the reset process. It might power cycle or restart automatically as part of this process. After the device restarts, it should be in its factory default state. This means you'll need to set it up again as if it were new. This includes configuring network settings, security settings, and any other specific configurations your network requires. A quick tip: if you encounter any issues during the reset process, or if the device doesn't seem to reset properly, double-check that you held the reset button for the full duration. Sometimes, it may take a couple of attempts to get it right. Additionally, consulting the user manual specific to your Fortinet device model can provide further guidance and troubleshooting tips. Finally, remember that after resetting, you'll need to log in using the default credentials. These are usually found in the user manual or on the manufacturer's website. Be sure to change these to something secure once you're back into the device to maintain your network security. And there you have it. Those are the steps to perform a factory reset on your Fortinet device. With everything back to its original state, you're all set to configure it anew or prepare it for its next user. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.